going on, everybody? This is Cabale with Cabale Media, and today we are talking about Q4 email marketing success and tactics to help you win. Stay tuned. As we know, the holiday season is just days away or weeks away, and as we know, Black Friday deals have already started. So what are we going to do to increase our holiday email optimization? Right now, like I said, Black Friday is starting in about 3 weeks, and everybody is preparing to get their sales out if they haven't done it already. To start off the holiday season optimization, we're going to start with tip 1, and that's segmenting your audience for personalized offers. There's definitely different tiers, from product-specific recommendations to high-spending tiers, or we call that like a VIP tier, or let's say last-minute shopping tier / segment. For the product-specific recommendation, you want to do things based off what customers have previously purchased, maybe holiday emails, holiday themes, featuring seasonal items, maybe things for like pets, festive dog toys, or winter pet coats. You want to do very product-specific recommendations so it gets to the right person and the right languages in the email, the right images are in the email, and the right offers in the email. As you know, personalization is one of my favorites. Use this tip, personal recommendations, as one of your ways to increase sales during your holiday season optimization. High spender tiers or VIP tiers are generally based on how much somebody spends. Somebody who generally spends more than the usual customer. You want to offer things like exclusive VIP perks, access to limited sales, maybe they get early sales, exclusive gift for their purchase. Try and mix it up. You know, if they're spending a lot of money, it wouldn't hurt to give them a free incentive, whether that be a free gift, maybe a couple more dollars off, so on and so forth. Last-minute shoppers, last-minute gift ideas. You know that there's last-minute shoppers every year. Maybe for them, you give them a particular type of email that says last gifts or last-minute shopping gifts for him, her, husband, wife, daughter, son. What you want to base this last-minute shopper segment tier on is, of course, things they've purchased in the past, just like the product-specific recommendations. Emphasize these are last-minute gift ideas. Gives them that urgency, that fear of missing out, to want to buy those gifts right away. Use holiday-themed subject lines. Something along the lines of, let's say, jingle all the way to new sales, new deals. Obviously, your pretty typical naughty or nice, or your holiday season's top picks are here. Switch it up, test it out, send one email with different subject lines, see what that result is, then cater it, so on and so forth, to every email after that, so you know what subject line, what preview text is working better for your emails, and then to continue to send emails that are similar or close to them. Implement countdown timers and drive urgency. Now, we've spoke about this time and time again. Make sure they have a shipping deadline. Order within 3 days, get free shipping. Holiday delivery. You really have to emphasize the urgency so they know that they have to buy as soon as possible. Because if you don't create any urgency, people are going to sit on their butt and they're never going to buy anything. Create urgency with these countdown timers and time limits in order for them to make the purchase relatively. Event promotion, maybe virtual events, in-store events, holiday experiences. Add a countdown timer, just like we discussed in the last tip, to ensure that they're going to want to go to these events. Make a real good pitch as to why they should attend these events. Giving them incentives, making them RSVP, making them RSVP before a deadline so we know for sure that they're interested and they're more likely. Optimize for mobile first for holiday shopping. Simplified mobile layouts are what you want to go with. The very busy layout for a thing of the past. For not all brands, but for some, if you want to get your point across and sell your product, make simplified mobile layouts, anything from one-column design, easy call to actions, making them large and tappable, and easy CTAs, easy to read links, easy to read buttons. And then, of course, if you have an app, use an in-app shopping experience. Always promote your app within the email, so they, meaning the potential subscriber or already a customer, have a better experience while shopping, and then again are more likely to buy. So optimize your mobile first for the holiday season. Emphasize non-discount incentives. Maybe a free card, maybe free gift wrap, maybe a charity donation, maybe more points. Let them know what they're getting that's just not necessarily monetary, right? It doesn't actually have to be discount, but you're giving them something great, and I'm sure a lot of people would appreciate gifts. Maybe if they get more points, they could use those points towards another purchase. And then, of course, giving and sharing with the holidays is something that we all love to do. So letting them know that maybe a proceeds of how much they're spending is going to go to a charity or something like that. Schedule emails for peak holiday times. Thanksgiving Day reminders. That's the best. You'll be surprised how many people actually purchase on Thanksgiving. Not everybody is sitting around eating all day, but I'm sure a lot of us are. But once people stop eating, they're going to get on their phones and look for deals. Surprisingly, even though there's not as much shoppers, there are still a lot of sales. So I would take advantage of Thanksgiving Day reminders, maybe schedule an early morning email, Black Friday, your biggest sale, targeting customers who like to shop right after Thanksgiving. But of course, as we spoke in the last couple of videos, you want to start your Black Friday process as soon as possible to be prepared for the rush. Weekend shoppers get a better deal. For those who are most likely to buy over the weekend, send a Saturday afternoon email. Really target and segment your audience so you know that you're more likely to get people to purchase during these holiday seasons. Early bird deals. Starting their day off with shopping. Morning exclusive deals with early accessing, targeting customers who love to shop early morning. I'm one of those. Incorporate visual and festive elements. Holiday themes, Christmas themes, Hanukkah themes. You want to provide for everyone. Holiday themes. It just doesn't have to be Christmas, maybe still, but then again, not everybody gets it. Use holiday colors, holiday call to actions, reds, greens, blues, white. Whatever holidays, we try to spread as much as possible, so we want to do things like maybe animated snow, animate holiday icons, call to actions, seasonal gradients. Transition our email backgrounds into a very subtle festive gradient, like maybe blue to silver to green to red. Keep the holiday theme, make it fun, make it cozy, and a festive feel. Use social proof, as always, to highlight popular holiday picks. Customer choice awards, showcase what other customers are buying. Mention things like holiday favorite and throw a badge on the image. Maybe top seller status. Mention people who have been spending a lot of money, or you can do something like top seller status. Mention products that are highly in demand by subscribers and customers. Seasons must have, appealing to those who want popular gifts. Influencer picks. What your influencers are using and what they continue to use. Of course, use influencers to your advantage and have them promote products as soon as possible. Feature gift guides under 25. Personalized gifts for him and her. Maybe gifts for families. Include things like family bundles, maybe a particular section if you're going to do his and hers. Self-care for the queen, for the adventurer, for this guy, for the rugged man. So on and so forth, as long as you're personalized and you're doing well. And then obviously your under 25 stocking stuffers. Do a mix of fun, affordable, and perfect gifts for shoppers on a budget that are looking for small gifts but don't want to spend too little but don't want to spend too much. Track real-time campaign performance. It doesn't hurt to look at your statistics while the email is running. Review and go over your open rates, your click-through rates, so you know when to send emails at optimal times for the holidays. Obviously, you want to have your abandoned carts activated using things like almost gone for urgency, last ones, top picks, just to increase conversions. Those words itself can really skyrocket your sales. And then test offer conversions, certain types of incentives, free shipping versus maybe free gift wrapping, and see what generates the most buzz. All right, there you go. I gave you 10 tips for your holiday season optimization. The holidays are just around the corner, a few weeks away, so make sure you are prepared. Any event, if you like this video, you can like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. I'm still not sure what side it's on. You can email me at jcabale@cabalemedia.com. And then you can go to the site, cabalemedia.com, get your free 30-minute consultation about all things email marketing. Yeah, and that's it. This is Janice Cabale with Cabale Media, and I'll see you at the next video.